Comparison of electric field and equipotential surfaces. Look at this diagrams. This is a single point charge. From the single point charge, electric field lines emerge radially outwards, and these field lines are symmetric. Coming to equipotential surfaces, this is the single point charge. Around this, if we consider a sphere, at all points on the sphere, potential remains the same. Another sphere, potential remains the same. Another sphere, potential remains the same. So these are the equipotential surfaces, or equipotential surfaces due to a single point charge are concentric spheres. This is a uniform electric field represented by equidistant and parallel field lines. All are having the same direction. At any point in this region, electric field remains the same. Look at the equipotential surfaces. The blue lines are indicating the electric field. Equipotential surfaces are the plane perpendicular to the field lines. If the uniform electric field, equipotential surfaces are also equidistant. As the field increases, equipotential surfaces come closer. As the field decreases, equipotential surfaces will be far apart. For the uniform electric field, equipotential surfaces are equidistant and perpendicular to the field lines. These are the plane surfaces. These are the equipotential surfaces for the electric field represented here. Next, this is a dipole, plus Q charge, and this is minus Q charge. The electric field lines emerging from plus Q charge end in minus Q charge. So these are the electric field lines due to an electric dipole. Few field lines are going in this direction, are also showing an attraction. And this is the single line. Here field is emerging out. In this case, field is ending. Now look at the equipotential surface due to a dipole. Equipotential surfaces are crowded between the two charges, and equipotential surfaces are going farther and farther apart on either ends. At the extreme ends, you can see equipotential surfaces are very far apart. Now due to two like charges, plus Q and this is also plus Q, field lines repel. All the field lines are showing a repulsive force. Only this field line is parallel here. This is also parallel to this line. Only these two are parallel, or you can say are having the same lines but showing opposite direction. Look at the equipotential surfaces. So two positive charges. Between the two positive charges, equipotential surfaces are farther and farther apart. Whereas at the extreme ends, equipotential surfaces are coming closer. And very far away, Look at the shape of the equipotential surface. Thank you.